Have you ever looked at your English homework and seen a question about past perfect or past perfect continuous, but didn't know which one to use? Maybe you looked at the sentence and thought, should I write had worked or had been working? If that happened to you, don't worry, many learners feel the same way. These two tenses can be confusing. Welcome back to Lyna English Studio. Today, I'll explain the difference between past perfect and past perfect continuous using simple examples. After this lesson, you'll know how to choose the right tense. Past perfect is used for something that finished before another past action. The structure is had plus the past participle. I had finished my homework before dinner. This means homework happened first, then dinner, or she had already left when I arrived. She left before I got there. Past perfect continuous is used for actions happening over time before another past event. The structure had been plus the verb withing. I had been studying for 2 hours before the exam started. Studying lasted for 2 hours, then the exam began, or they had been waiting for the bus when it finally arrived. Waiting happened over time before the bus came. Why are these tenses confusing? Many learners mix up past perfect and past perfect continuous because both talk about the past before another past event. So what is the difference? Past perfect shows something was finished. Past perfect continuous shows something was still happening or took time. If the action was complete, use past perfect. If it was still going on, use past perfect continuous. Let's talk about the past participle. Many learners get confused. The past participle is not always the same as the past simple. For regular verbs like work or play, they look the same. Example, work is past simple and also past participle. But for irregular verbs, they are different. Example, go becomes went in past simple, but gone in past participle. So when you use had, you must use the past participle after it. I had gone to school is correct. I had went to school is wrong. Past perfect and past perfect continuous can use the same words. Words like before, when, by the time, already, for, and since. That's why they are easy to mix up. Let's look at two examples. She had worked there for 5 years before she quit. This means she finished working. She had been working there for 5 years before she quit. This means she was still working before she quit. Another example, I had eaten dinner when he arrived. Dinner was finished. I had been eating dinner when he arrived. You were still eating when he came. To keep it simple, if the action was finished, use had and the past participle. If the action was still happening or took time, use had been and verb withing. Also, look at time words like for 2 hours, since morning, or all day. These usually go with the continuous form because they show how long something happened. So remember, both tenses talk about something before another past event, but past perfect is about something that was done. Past perfect continuous is about something that was still happening or took time. I hope this helps you understand these two tenses better. Try making your own sentences to practice. The more you use them, the easier they will become. If you find this helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Lyna English Studio.